In this video we're going to show you how to change or replace the cell in the standard Landrover Discovery key fob. If you're super organised, have a CR2032 3-volt cell ready for the replacement. You don't need any key tools or specialist equipment to open this, but they can be pretty tight. The first step is to remove the manual key from the fob. There's a little button that is depressible on the side. It has to be pushed right the way in and it's pretty tight. When you get it released, the key should remove itself from where it's located in the battery holder. Now, using this key, just put it in on the plastic element and oyster upwards. You'll see that the case starts to open up, and then just use the key until you can get in above this locking element. Put it right in and then oyster it open, and the key fob should, with a little help, come apart. Here's the cell you're going to replace. You'll note that it's positive or flat side up. With a fingernail, just remove the old one, pop the fresh new battery in, and then you're ready to reassemble the fob. Note the round rim on here that has to be located correctly. If you locate the base flanges in first and then just squeeze, the rest locks. Replace the manual key in, and they're complete and good to go with a fresh battery. Thanks for watching.